I've made over $2.5 million selling digital products online, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I did this, all right? So right here is a shot of me with my first $1 million that I made online, which is pretty cool, and you can see it right here. Right? I thought that this is the best way to show it because this is a physical object, literally came in the mail. It's a gold heavy piece, which is super cool. Now it sits on my wall, and it was an award that I received because I was using this company's strategies to sell over $1 million worth in product, which is super cool, all right? Now let me show you exactly how I did this so that you can replicate the same thing for yourself. Now I'm going to go backwards. Instead of, showing you how to pick a niche and a product and all that stuff, which is not the most important thing, it's really about getting attention first. You have to get attention online. Otherwise, people will never know that you exist, okay? So for example, even if you had the best product in the world, if you had the cure for cancer, but nobody knew about it, you couldn't advertise about it, you couldn't tell anyone about it, nobody's going to know that you have the cure for cancer, right? It's the same thing with digital products. Even if you have the best digital product in the world, the best thing since sliced bread, if you don't get attention and you don't have ads, people won't know it exists, all right? So the first thing you need to focus on is how do you get attention in front of people? Like I like to get it a few ways. One of the ways is I use Facebook, okay? Facebook is a very powerful way. And I come to Facebook, I add a bunch of friends on my Facebook account, which, and I have, maybe about 4,000 or 5,000 friends, right? And you can do that just by adding different people, coming into different groups. You can search for different groups here and just literally just click on add friends. And 50% of people will accept your friendship, okay? Now, once you've got about, 2,000 friends, I would just post regularly. So I post a lot of reels talking about my space. So if you're in the dog training space, talk about dogs. If you're in the weight loss space, talk about weight loss. If you're in the, relationship space, post about relationships, right? And the more that you post, the more that people are going to see, and the more that people see your stuff, the more that they'll like it and they'll share it, right? And then they're going to come back to your bio. And obviously you want to leave a decent bio. And this is the same for all social platforms, right? Make sure you tell them what you've done, your results, and who do you help. And then you want to leave your landing page or capture page link so that they can opt in, get more information from you, and you can send them through a process, which I'm going to show you in a minute, all right, how you can build a relationship with them, okay? So this is Facebook. Now, I also do the same thing on Instagram. It's exactly the same. You see the bio on top there, right? It's the result that you got, who you're helping, and then this is a link to your capture page, okay? And I do the same thing on Instagram. I'm literally just educating, I'm entertaining, and I am using viral formats to teach people about my particular space, which is teaching people how to do affiliate marketing, how to do, make money through selling digital products, okay? Exactly what you're watching right now. People opt in, they go through my process, and then they get value, right? Same thing on TikTok, okay? TikTok's very powerful as well. You can see I've got, 285,000 followers, but again, we don't care about the followers. We care about the leads that we're getting. So that's why I upload content every single day, right? Talking about my space, educating, entertaining, giving value. And the more that I can do that, the more views I get, the more people come to my link, they click on it and they check it out, right? Now, what does that look like? Well, it basically looks like this, okay? So people are going to come to what this is called a landing page, a capture page, squeeze page is all the same thing, right? They land on here. You've got a big promise at the top. In this particular example, we're talking about weight loss, right? How did I drop 2 jean sizes in 12 weeks and feel more attractive without doing hardcore cardio? And if they're interested, they're going to click here and they're going to leave their email address in there, right? So we want to collect emails. We want to collect names and emails, maybe phone numbers. But the best thing is really is emails for affiliate marketing, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to add even more value. We're not going to sell them yet, because that's what everybody else does. We want to add value first. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create all these little individual pages like this. And you eventually want to have maybe 10, 20, 30 of these where you focus on one particular problem of your audience and you teach them how to solve it. That's it. That's all you're doing, okay? And at the end of every single video, you say, hey, if you love this and you want to really get the step-by-step on how to lose 60 pounds in the next 6 months, click the link below and that program is going to teach you exactly how to do it. All right. So what you've done now is you're adding value, you're teaching them, you're helping them solve that one big problem in every video that gets drip fed through your email because now you have their email address, right? Because they opted in to your landing page over here. Now what you're doing is you're building trust, you're building credibility, you're building authority. You're not asking them to buy anything yet. You're just totally teaching them, helping them solve their problems on the one big problem every single day. Now, if they want to really solve their problems, they can click on the link right here, and this is your affiliate link, and they'll go to the product that you're promoting. It can be your own product, it could be somebody else's product, okay? But when you do it this way, You're basically standing above the competition because nobody does this. Everybody tries to sell their affiliate product really, really hard, and that's why people don't make sales, okay? This is how I made over $2.5 million selling other people's products. So you got to do the complete opposite of what everyone's doing, okay? Now, once you've set this up, all you really need to do is focus on your content. Your Facebook content, your Instagram content, your TikTok content, your LinkedIn content, your YouTube content, wherever you decide to create content, all you're doing is you're educating, getting attention. People come through your sales process right here, and then eventually people will buy, okay? It's actually a really simple business model when you understand it. And if you want help building this out, right, I've got a really step-by-step masterclass that shows you exactly how to do this, and you can access it in the comment section below this, okay? I hope you got some value from this, because I promise you that if you follow this exactly step by step, you will make, number one, your first sales. You're going to get to your first $1,000, your first $10,000, your first 20, 30, 40, 50, and you can thank me later. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every single week when I release videos, I talk about the different strategies that you can implement to make more money with affiliate marketing, so you don't want to miss out. And if you want to get my step-by-step masterclass, remember, it's in the comment section below. See you there.